Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President Mpcc has alleged that work for Phase 3 of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana (Pmgsy) have been interrupted due to non-conduct of tenders for this central scheme. Speaking to media persons in this regard at Congress Bhavan, Mpcc alleged that 404 crore rupees, which were sanctioned under Pmgsy Phase 3 in 2019, could not be utilized till date due to delay in holding the tender, allegedly due to favoritism shown by ex-Minister of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj while choosing engineers and contractors. Authority had given approval to hold tender for Pmgsy Phase 3 on April 10, 2024, but so far the tender has been withheld for Pmgsy Phase 3, which aims to build 125,000 kilometers of road in the state. Speaking further, Mpcc urged relevant authority to look into the matter and to ensure the amount sanctioned for road construction under Pmgsy are utilized for the correct purpose and to prevent some individuals from misappropriating the fund.
Manipur ki lambi thong ki phibam si miyam na su hena khangnare aduki matik yam thing sue sarkar asina central ki scheme jing amata pakhat ngamdre maroina Pmgsy Phase 3 si Manipur da pakhat kadaba program sing si 2019 da 404 crore amasung atopa portion amada 205 crore sanction tawraga lei 2019 da sanction tawba Pmgsy Phase 3 je masi BJP ki lengak palingai taki hauraga masigi hujiki president rule leibasi bobuda tender tawngamdre parja ki complaint president rule su leire president rule la phagadra haga tender bak tawngamdre adegi chief engineer nama sindok sinjin tawi high court amuk chale contractor sina high court amuk chale si high court san na balengak lingi braiwa 2019 digi la ko tender bak tawngamdri che masi sarkar se koi kari asa tawgi da gya violence ki awaba adegi tongan ba micham parja ki awaba displaced people si awaba da lambi thongi awaba sibak sanction le ba paisa sibak tawngam da masi sarkar sibo kari karam ba sarkar no haibase Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee hangi eba